Hello, good morning. This is Nas from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and having a fantastic morning. Date today is 9/30/2024, and we are going to discuss a theorem. So this is geometry lesson number 19, and the theorem I have is on the board. Basically, what I'm saying in this theorem is that sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. Theorem means it's a fact. It has been proven in the past. Okay. So that's exactly what theorem means. So what do I mean by that? Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. What I mean is that, let's say if I draw a triangle right here. Okay. And this right here is angle 1. This is angle 2. This is angle 3. So then sum of angle 1 plus sum of angle 2 plus sum of angle 3 is going to be always 180 degrees, no matter how the shape of the triangle is. It could be a right angle triangle. Okay, it could be something like crazy, something like this maybe. Okay, so that also has, let's say, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. If you sum these up, three angles, it will always be 180. If you want to prove it, draw a triangle with a ruler and get a protractor and measure the angle, then sum them up. You will come to the same conclusion. Okay. So, so that is a fact. All right. That sum of any triangle, angles of sum of any triangle is always going to be 180 degree. All right. So let's take any convex polygon. Okay. Convex polygon, I already explained you in the past. Convex polygons are polygon shapes on which, if you wrap around an elastic band, it will be a good, comfortable fit. So that is a convex polygon. And then there is another thing called concave polygons, on which, if you wrap around an elastic, it's not going to be a comfortable fit. Okay. So that's how you identify if the following figure is convex polygon or concave polygon. But anyway, let's go ahead and draw a convex polygon. So right here, we do like this. Okay. So this right here is a convex polygon. So now let me ask you this. If I asked you, can you find me the angle, interior angle, sum of the interior angles? In other words, angle over here, angle over here, angle over here, angle over here. Okay. How would you do that? Okay. So basically, one thing I can think of is if I divide this into two triangles. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay. So I divided this polygon into two triangles. Okay. Now we already know that the sum of angles of these triangles is always going to be 180. Okay. So let's say this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, this is angle 5, and this is angle 6. We already stated that sum of the interior angles of the triangle is 180. So if you have two triangles, then the answer would be, total would be basically, let me write it down anyway, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3 is 180 degree. All right. Then angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is also 180 degree. So then we can say the interior angles of this polygon are 360 degree. So how's that? Okay. Let's look at another shape. See if it makes sense. Now this shape is going to be like this. You have something like this. Okay. And then you have something like this. Then you have something like this. And then, okay. So this is a polygon also. All right. Can you tell me what is going to be the exterior angle on this? I'm sorry, not exterior, the interior angles of this polygon. So what I can think of is I can divide this into like three triangles. Okay, that's one triangle. All right. Do you see any other triangles? I see that. Then there is this triangle. So you have triangle number one, triangle number two, triangle number three. We already stated sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180. So then this is going to be 540, right? So this is going to be 540 degrees. This was 360 degrees. I'm sorry, the other shape I drew was 360 degrees. Actually, let me go ahead and erase that so there is no confusion. So this polygon is 540 by the logic I just explained you with the other shape. Now let me give you a easy way to remember the angle, okay, based on the number of sides. The formula is basically sum of interior angles in a polygon is going to be equal to 180 into n minus 2, whereas n is number of sides. Okay, so let me go back to this one. How many sides does this have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you apply that, 180 multiplied by 5 minus 2, that's 540. How's that? Bingo. So what about something with 6 sides? 6 sides, okay? So then what I would do is I would say 180, number of sides, 6. Formula says minus 2. So then 180 multiplied by 4. So that's basically 360 plus 360, so equal to 720 degrees. So that's how you can find out the interior angle. I'm talking about interior angle, okay? Not the exterior angle. We already went over the exterior angle. So ladies and gentlemen, this right here was the presentation on geometry lesson number 19. Theorem is sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180, and I basically just proved it to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Till next time. Bye-bye.